How to create name tags that children are gonna love. First, you're gonna go to canva.com. Then you're gonna choose a custom design and make sure you click inches. Then you're gonna type in 8.5 by 11. Once you do that, you're gonna type in name tags under the design section. Once you click on the name tag, then before you start changing all the colors, I know it's super exciting. You're going to type in handwriting under design. You're going to click a template from the handwriting section, and it's going to open up a new page. And what you're going to do essentially is you're going to cut out all the extra lines. You're going to crop all of those, get down to one line. If you want to change the color of those lines, you can do that. I changed mine to black on the 2 lines. Then you're going to copy those lines, and then you'll paste it into your other page. But first, make sure your lines are how you want it. You might have to zoom in a little. And then you'll paste it onto your design. So you'll erase all the previous names that were on the template. You're going to paste the lines. And as you can see, you can't really see it with the color behind it. So you're going to go ahead and change that to white or just totally remove it. And that way, children can clearly see their name. Then you can change the design. You can make the border darker. And you can go ahead and put when you click on text, you can go ahead and click on, you can go ahead and type in what you want to put above it, like my name is, and then you can put the children's name. I decided not to type in the name because I plan to have it where the children can write their own name and practice it once I laminate it. But anyway, after that, you're going to copy and paste it. So I was able to fit, I believe I'm going to be able to fit like 4 on here. And then once you have your design, you can also either have all the same design or have different elements on each one. I do have these name tags already done if you want them. And I also made some other fun things like charts, alphabet charts, vowel charts, and all of those things. So I'll make sure I link that below. But let me know, what did you think of this video? Was it helpful? Was it not? I would love to continue this conversation in the comments. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.